Hey folks, I'm back. This is, I guess this is part 3 of my Tranny removal and replacement. Anyhow, let me show you what's going on. Alright, here's what's going on. I've already installed the new reverse gear kit on the old Tranny, or on the new Tranny. Tomorrow when my part comes in, I will be able to pull this race off of both shafts, take the nut off, take the flywheels off, and once that's done, I can pull the gears out and pull the gears out on that one and then put them in this one. This one here, this gear here is ready to come out, but it can't come out because the gear behind that one is bigger and it won't go past this right here. So both shafts have to come out at the same time. So as soon as I get that puller out tomorrow, or puller tomorrow, I'll pull that off and we will swap these over. Also supposed to be getting my belt drive. Let me show you what's going on over here on the bike itself. And I just got finished pulling the oil pan off. Goes right there. Just makes the transmission easier going in. Okay, so I pulled that bolt out on bottom and top. I've pulled the sway bar off. They're just laying there, no bolts hooked to them. Did the same thing on the other side. So once the belt gets here, all I need to do is have my friends push out on this thing here, lift it up sorta, swing it out of the way, which will, since the box is attached to those bars, when they pull it out, it should give me clearance here to put the belt on here. And then once that's done, I need to take this tire off so that I don't think the belt will fit around the tire. So once I take the tire off, I can pull the belt around this way, and then I've got to reattach everything over there and then disassemble everything up here. Those basically 5 bolts on each side so that this thing will shift up out of the way, and I can put my belt, you know, through a little sliver in there. That's all I need, so that it will come through like this. And then I'll be ready to put the transmission in. I can put the belt on the pulley and start mounting everything back up. I'm hoping to have it done by the end of the week, if not sooner. But we'll see what happens. A lot of work, a lot of improvising. I have 4 of those, 2 on each side underneath this. You can see part of one right there, I think. It's not really holding it up, but it's there in case it does fall. Because this box is held up by a bolt, this bolt here, this strap, and bolt right there, and one on the other side. That's the only thing holding this box to the trike. But anyhow, I'm hoping everything goes well. All right, I appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for more updates. I'll try and film some stuff tomorrow doing it. I'm most likely to go to film, but let's hope everything goes well. Anyhow, appreciate you watching, and take care. Bye.